We asked a few students, few marketing professionals, about what they think marketing is. Here are a few responses.
Marketing, according to me, is customer experience, something that would probably bring customers to you, something that would draw customers towards your product.
I believe marketing is behind the scenes activity done to convert a consumer's curiosity to attention on the service or the product.
Marketing, according to me, is the process of giving words to your product or your service so that the product or the service could communicate its benefits to the consumers.
Marketing essentially means bridging the gap between what brands provide and what exactly the consumers need. So that is what marketing is to me.
Marketing to me is communication.
Marketing shows the consumer why he should buy the product and what value it brings to him.
Anybody who has a product or a service to sell knows in her mind who she's going to sell it to, why the person should use it and how to use it. So marketing to me is the mechanism to reach out to those who, convince them of the why and show them the how.
So when I think about marketing, the couple of words that come to my mind are public relation, reaching out to customers and promotions.